Hello everyone, in this video I want to talk about why tuples consumes less memory than list in Python. It is primarily because tuples are immutable while lists are mutable. So, immutable means once it is declared, it cannot be changed later. For example, elements cannot be added later or deleted later or update later. Hello everyone, in this video I want to talk about why tuples consumes less memory than list in Python. It is primarily because tuples are immutable while lists are mutable. Immutable means once it is declared, its content cannot be changed later. For example, adding new elements, updating or deleting cannot be done. Okay? When a tuple is created, it allocates a fixed amount of memory to store its elements. Since tuples are immutable, their size does not change and the memory allocated for them remains constant. This makes up tuples more memory efficient. On the other hand, lists are mutable, which means they can grow or shrink dynamically, and lists use additional memory to accommodate potential changes in size. When a list exceeds its initial capacity, it allocates more memory to accommodate additional elements. This dynamic resizing mechanism leads to increased memory usage compared to tuples. In summary, the immutability of tuples allows them to allocate a fixed amount of memory, resulting in less memory consumption compared to list.